So it's been a couple of weeks, and I think I finally need to actually open these boxes that have been sitting on my desk. And I need to open them because they're AOKs from 2 subscribers. And I've been a little busy with some other things and honestly just haven't had the time to open it. But today is the day. Today is the day that I'm going to open these boxes up and actually say thank you to 2 subscribers that have hooked me up. Stay tuned for the video. Reggie here, your friendly neighborhood bodybuilder and comic book collector, and I want to welcome you to another one of my videos. I have my handy box cutter in hand, and you know what that means? It means that it's time to open up some boxes. And this first box, when it showed up, I thought that Comic Tom had actually hooked me up and sent me something from his mail call. But that is not the case. This is actually from Master Blaster. Master Blaster AOK is what it says on here. So I think it is, I'm pretty sure that it's actually a subscriber AOK. So we are going to cut this thing open and see what has been sent to me. And I don't have a clue, to be honest. But I will say thank you in advance for sending this over to me. And we are making progress on this box, slowly but surely. Get this thing open and see what is inside. All right, let me turn this thing around. It was upside down. There's a note here that says, "You complete us." That is awesome. From your Symbionite in life. That is funny. Oh man, there's a couple of things in here. Let me try to open this thing up the right way. Just open it up. That's pretty cool. Get this thing open. Bear with me, people. It's live and not planned, so bear with me. Get this thing open and see what this says. That's cool right there. I had a blast since discovering your channel. I'm seriously getting my swole on, lifting those long boxes out of the depths of the closet after all these years. This is how you become a comic book soldier. You lift long boxes. I'm telling you, that is the secret. Things to know about the AOK. Book 1, it wasn't me. But last book, it was me. I have a feeling that will be explained in just a moment. It said I had to stop my painter from using an ASM 300 for trim work after I hijacked all his blue painter's tape. Enjoy. Thanks for keeping it fun. Master Blaster. Well done, sir. Well done. And there is a couple of things in here. This is cool. This is from Luke Air Force Base. It is a, is it a challenge coin? There is a term for this, and I believe he sent me an article that I actually read, but it was like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Now I can't remember what the term was, but it is military related, and they exchange these coins. This is pretty cool. Luke Air Force Base. This is cool. That is a 2-sided coin, and hopefully the term comes back to me in a moment, and if not, I'll try to put it in the overlay for this video. That is cool right there. That is very cool. And like I said, there was a card that says, "You complete us." How cool is that little postcard right there? And I think that's anti-venom. I think it's anti-venom on the back right there. That's cool. Very, very cool. So let's move that off to the side and see what else is in here. There is a black bag on the inside. Toss that down there and let's open this thing up to see what is inside. Love some blue painter's tape. Love it. Get this off. We're going to see what's in here. What did he say in his note? He said, first book wasn't me. Last book, it was me. All right, so let's see. First book Was It Me? So the first book is Action Comics The Day the Earth Exploded. Little Superman action right there. And I have never seen orange painter's tape in my life. So that's pretty cool. Superman book with some orange painter's tape. Very cool. I have seen this one. This is cool. I've seen this cover. This is Wolverine Origins. Phoenix Comic Con 2006. Samurai Comics. This is number 5. This is cool. That's cool. That's cool cover right there. I've seen this cover a couple of times. I've seen the color version. I don't think that I've ever seen the black and white version. That's cool. That's a cool cover right there. I dig that. Oh man, I think I needed this one. This is Giant Size Annual, The Amazing Spider-Man 21. It is the Peter Parker version because I think I have the Spider-Man version. This is cool. I love this cover. I love this cover and the fact that I think I now have both. How cool is it? I think he said, I'm sending you something that you mentioned in a recent video. And there's so many videos. I make so many comments. I never know. But I remember this one. This is cool. And this is a really nice copy. Love this John Romita. This is cool. This is a nice copy. Man. This is cool. Wow. Savage Dragon, The Fallen. Eric Larson. How cool is that? How cool. It is a sketch and a signature on a Savage Dragon from Eric Larson. That's cool. This is indeed a Master Blaster A-OK. This is cool. I dig that. I dig that right there. Very, very, very cool. Wait, it's oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is hilarious. So this one was him. And you can see from the back side that there's a lot of blue painter's tape. But what's on the back side is not even close to what's on the front. If you guys know this cover, this is a cool cover, right? By Todd McFarlane. But it's even more cool because it is blue painter's tape. Awesome sense of humor. Awesome sense of humor. This is really, really well done. This is really well done. This is an awesome A-OK, man. Very, very thoughtful and just one great surprise after another. Man, Master Blaster, brother, I appreciate you from the very first thing to the very last thing. Thank you very much. I absolutely appreciate it. You guys are awesome, man. This is cool. This is cool. What's cool is I actually have a couple of things that military guys have given me that I've never actually shown on camera because I was asked not to, like out of respect. And so I actually have those things kind of hidden off to the side. And so I'm actually going to place this with some of those other things that have been given to me by other military guys. So really cool. Really cool. I absolutely appreciate this. This has been a super A-OK. That is awesome. All right. So this next one is, you know what? Actually, yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. So, pardon the dive there. Pardon the dive. I was not quite prepared to do this, but I am going to do it. I want to actually give you an opportunity to add a really cool book to your own collection. And I'm offering this book thanks to our friends over at Go Collect who put me in a position basically every single month to be able to give away really cool books back to the comic book community simply for watching videos. And so the book that I want to give away this week is this one right here. It is Peanuts #1. Peanuts #1, Gold Key, 1963, a 5.0 with, wait for it, white pages. This is a really, really cool book. This is a cool book right here. Peanuts #1, Gold Key, 1963, 5.0 with white pages. And I don't think that this book was actually pressed at all. This is cool. The phrase for this week is all nuts. AWW nuts. NUTS. All nuts is the phrase for this week. And all you have to do really is head over to the community tab, find the post where I'm talking about this book. You click on the link, you go to MailChimp, you plug in 3 pieces of information. 2 of them are relevant to you. 1 of them is relevant to the phrase that I just gave you, which is all nuts. You plug that in and you are in the running. You have to basically be a subscriber of the channel, a resident of the United States, a resident of Canada, or have a mailing address in the US to be eligible. And just as a reminder, there is 1 entrant per household per week. 1 entrant per household per week, per person as well. So this is the book. Good luck to everybody. So again, the next box that showed up is from Jose. Jose sent me a box, and we are going to open this one up. And this is also another AOK. So we're going to open this up and see what it is that Jose has sent over to me. And again, I'm always super appreciative of people that send me AOKs. Doesn't matter what it is. I absolutely appreciate folks just taking the time to spread some love, you know. So shout out to everyone who has sent me something. So see if we can get this box open and see. Hopefully I can say everything on here because I already gave his name away. So all right. So it says, "Hi Reggie, I wanted to first wish you a happy and healthy new year. And it has been now that we are all over the flu. It is going swimmingly well." He said, "I sent these AOKs to do with as you wish. I also want to show my appreciation for your channel. You have taught me so much from pressing to grading and more. I also want to thank you for helping my girlfriend obtain one of my grails that I will hold for years to come, ASM 50. And one of the things is I had a lot of wives and girlfriends. Well, not a lot, but a handful of wives and girlfriends that have actually reached out to me over the years and actually asked, you know, for insight into what their husbands or boyfriends or whatever would actually want. And it's awesome. It's awesome that guys talk about me enough that their girlfriends and wives recognize me to the extent that they reach out and ask for input for their significant others. It is, it's really cool. It's really cool to be part of that. And I was excited for him to get this ASM 50. It's definitely a dope book. And he says, "I will see you in the YouTube and IG. Your Swoldier, JT." So shout out to you, brother. And there's a nice little sketch here from Titan Comics, Doctor Who, right on the backside. I noticed that as I was looking down. But shout out to you, JT, man. Congrats on having an awesome Christmas, snagging that very, very cool book. So we are going to open this thing up and see what is inside. It is a nice, well-wrapped brick of comics. Well-wrapped brick of comics. So we're going to open this thing up and see what it is that has been sent over to me. I should have probably bought some stock in 3M as much as I talk about Blue Painter's tape. Oh, man. So we're going to open this thing up and see what is inside. Oh, man, we're starting off on a rip. Oh, I think I need that book. We're starting off on a really good foot here. Here is Peter Parker Spectacular Spider-Man 131. This is part of Kraven's The Last Hunt. Definitely a cool book right there. I dig that one. I dig that. I may actually go back and read that story again at some point. I think I needed this book right here. This is Spectacular Spider-Man. What is the answer Number 92. I think I need that one for the PC, so definitely pleased to have that one in the collection. It's a newsstand as well, so we're gonna hold that one. Here is a classic 90s McFarlane Spider-Man featuring Lizard, issue number 2 right there. Little Lizard action. Oh, this is cool. Someone sent me like 2 of these, or I have 2 some way somehow, so I may end up passing this one back to the community. This is Amazing Spider-Man number 1. It's Nick Spencer, Ryan Ottley behind the scenes edition number 1, sketch cover variant. Cool book right there. That's a cool one. And like I said, I think I have 2, so I will probably pass this one on to someone else. I actually just got this book from someone else. Someone else actually just sent me this book. It is Spider-Man The Life Story number 6. Just got this recently, like less than a week ago from someone else as like a bonus book. So that was cool. Did not have this one. This is Spider-Man 4. Did not have this one. This is The Life Story number 4. Did not have this one. So I will definitely be dropping this one in the box because I want to say like 1, 3, 6, I think. I'm definitely missing some issues. This is cool. I did not have this one. This is What If. Who Is She? What If starring Spider-Girl. I think it's issue number 1. That's a cool cover. I've always liked that cover right there. So definitely a cool book right there. Free Comic Book Day, The Avengers number 1. That's a cool one. I don't think that I got this one, so I may actually read that one. But I did read this one, Savage Avengers number 3. I did read this one and I enjoyed it. It was the Savage Avengers was actually a pretty good story. I enjoyed that. Gambit and the Externals. I have not read this one. Issue number 1. Definitely cool right there. That's cool. Issue number 2. Very cool. Very cool. I don't know much about the Externals. Here is issue number 3. I think this is late 90s. I want to say this is probably late 90s, 95, 96 maybe. Here is issue number 4. That's cool. Issue number 4 right there. Marvel Comics presents Wolverine number 2. You can't be mad at a Wolverine claw cover. That's a cool comic right there. That's cool. With the U.S. agent. When was the last time you saw a U.S. agent somewhere? There's a guy that I talk to from time to time that actually has he U.S. agent is his guy, and I haven't read anything related to U.S. agent probably since the 90s. So and here X-Force number 1. That is awesome. Still in the poly bag. All right. So huge shout out to Master Blaster for a dope AOK. Shout out to my man JT for hooking me up with some awesome stuff that I also did not have, which is really cool. And again, don't forget that you can make this peanut book yours. All you have to do is head over to the community tab, key in a couple of pieces of information, including the phrase all nuts, to actually win this book. So good luck to everyone, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want to encourage you to hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment behind so we can mix it up in the comment section. If you need to reach out to me, feel free to do so, and you can do it either on Instagram at Regie Collects, or you can send me an email to reggie@regiecollects.com. Take care.